Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. Got for you today, Clocky. Clocky is an alarm clock that runs away from you. It even says it right there. I'm going to set this alarm real quick. We had one of these years ago, and I don't know what happened to it. But it used to help me get up when I had to be up with no doubts. And now we've got a 15-year-old boy who needs a little help sometimes. But up here, your set button, set for time, set for alarm, hours and minutes. Easy enough to figure out. Time here is 11:59, so I'm going to set the alarm clock for 12:01. Okay, and turn on the alarm, turn on that, and let's see how it goes. It's got a lighted background, or what do you call that? Backlit. It's backlit, and easy to see at night. Makes plenty of noise. You'll find out here in a minute or so. There we go. Clocky going off. I'm not going to let it fall off the table. Here's a tricky one. Okay. You get the idea, right? Turn off the wheels, turn off the alarm. Now, that'll drive somebody nuts if they don't get up and turn it off, right? So, it's going to do the trick for us. But unless it lands just absolutely like that, it'll keep on rolling. It'll tip itself over and keep rolling. It's designed to take the abuse of falling off the tables up to 3 feet tall. Hard plastic, 4 batteries, double A's. But yeah, it's a good clock, useful, and my boy may cuss me for it. I don't know. If it'll do you some good, go ahead and get it. They're a great deal. Bye now.